Now we are on step 4, and step 4 says let's create some flying birds in the sky. So with the pen tool, shortcuts P, and draw a simple bird silhouette. Go to the color panel and set the fill color of the selected object marked dark blue, which is these settings, and then draw 2 more birds. So draw about 3 different birds, and then we'll make various copies of various sizes of those 3 birds. Let's get started. I'm going to try to draw these 3 birds as best as I can. What you can do too, if you're more comfortable with the pencil tool, you can do the pencil tool. I'm going to deselect those. I'm going to change RGB to 3, 118, and 146, and I'm going to use the pen tool and just draw It doesn't really matter what the birds look like, just as long as it's some sort of silhouette. So that's the color that I selected. Now if you want to get the pencil tool and correct over some of your mistakes, or just draw it straight out with the pencil tool, I'm fine with that as well. You can also command click and totally resize it. See, it looks better when it's smaller. I feel like I kind of butchered it. Alright, so I'm going to try to draw several different versions of the bird with the pen tool. Alright, and then I'm going to go back with the pencil tool and kind of do some correction. That's a little bit better. And try to get the last one. So just try to get 3 different versions. They don't have to be perfect, just do your best. And just kind of do a little bit of course correction with the pencil tool. If you look at the example, they're really small in the background. You can make them up close, bigger, or further away. It's completely up to you. This is all about learning. It doesn't have to look perfect. You don't have to look exactly like the example. To create duplicates, you select it, hold down Option, and I can make them real small so they look like they're further away. Hold down Option. I'm pretty happy with that. So let's move on to step 5. Thank you all for watching.
Hey class, if you like this video, please click like below and subscribe to this channel. Also, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.